through here. Just the number of people walking up and down the street. This is a nice community here. This Underwood Hill Road. You go back up in there, there's some beautiful houses. That's a motorhome. Oh, look, a crypto mine. For those of you that don't know what a crypto mine is, or looks like, it is a bunch of 40-foot containers like that. 40-foot containers and a lot of energy. Those 40-foot containers are just filled with ASICs. Just gobbling up electricity. Look at the power lines they got run into the freaking crypto mine. They put beehives out there. Thank you. Thank you for not pulling out in front of me. So, alright, I'm gonna cut it here. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up.